How to fix WhatsApp photos not showing in Android Gallery. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application and check if you have the latest version of WhatsApp application or not. So let's search for WhatsApp. And as you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of WhatsApp application. So just tap on open. And here tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on the option of settings. And here scroll down and tap on storage and data. Now scroll down and tap on this option of media auto download. So just tap on all these options and make sure that you toggle on the option of photos, audio, videos and documents, both on Wi-Fi and mobile data cases. And then go back, and this might help you fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.